Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys. We're checking in on gold again. Hourly time frame is pure bulls. We've set this new higher low, and we've just managed to keep this little rampage going, hitting this area of potential resistance over here. We've seen that act as a support on a bounce and a support on a further consolidation run before that big drop. So this is an area we need to be paying attention to. About 1,305. So right where the price line is. This is just an area of support. There's no hard line that we're going to be looking for pullback on. However, on the hourly time frame, we are overbought currently. So we are sitting at 75 on our RSI. You can see the last time we spiked up here, we did see some pullback, and that is what we expect to see on the hourly time frame right now. We've set our new higher low, we've set a new higher high, and now we need to see some consolidation, allowing this RSI to cool off, come back down, and set a new higher low on the hourly time frame. Same sort of story on the 4 hour. We jump over here, we can see that we've actually moved more aggressively on the 4 hour time frame than we have on the hourly, and that is reflected in our RSI, currently edging towards 70. So again, due for a cool down on the 4 hour time frame. And this is what we want to see. We want to see sustained runs where we have a run up, a cooling period with a new higher low, a run up, a cooling period, higher low, and we convert that 4 hour uptrend into a daily uptrend. So if we jump to our daily time frame, we can see that we have set a new high. We haven't set a higher low yet. So we need to come back down. We need to prove that the bulls have the strength and the capability to maintain this daily move into an uptrend, setting a high somewhere over 1290 and then moving back up, retaking that important EMA 26 and allowing the bull to try and march back up here. We need to be cautious of a couple things. We need to be looking for potential reversal patterns. In this case, we have the foundations of an ascending wedge, which would show us drawing in something, and this is purely speculation at this point, something like this, and we have maybe a tightening range like this. And what that lets us do is take a look at what's happening. We can see that we've got a tightening range, and although we're climbing, we are in a reversal pattern, which would fit into our narrative of the weekly and monthly equilibrium pushing us to the downside. So that's just what we need to be watching for. If our weekly and our larger time frames are telling us to expect downside action, we need to at least be cognizant of what's happening on those time frames as we're planning things on the 4 hour and the hourly. We know the hourly is overbought. The 4 hours looking to be overbought very soon. RSI is at 68. We need to see a pullback, at least on the hourly, and see how this sets up and keep an eye out for potential bearish patterns. That's it for today. Have a good one.